Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we'll be making peanut butter and jelly cookies.
One of my favorite cookies as a kid was these things. That peanut butter dough with that jelly in the middle. It was sticky. So we're gonna try to recreate that ourselves. First thing you're gonna do, preheat the oven at 350, and then you're gonna line a baking sheet or two with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, which we have. So we're gonna use the baking mat. And first step, large bowl, which you're gonna use a mixer, half a cup of butter, which is usually 1 stick, and you're gonna blend that until it's smooth and creamy, and you can scrape the sides of the bowl for the butter. Next step, we are gonna put our 1/4 cup of brown sugar inside, and then you're also gonna put 3/4 cup of our regular sugar. Gotcha. There we go. You're gonna beat this till it's nice and fluffy, and then you're gonna scrape the sides of the bowl. Next step, 1 cup of peanut butter. You're gonna put it in here and you're gonna beat it until it is well combined. Next up is your egg. We are not using egg, so we are doing a replacement, which is a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water replaces 1 egg. We're gonna put that in here, mix this up. And then after this, you're gonna add in 1.5 cups of flour, but don't blend it yet. You're gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt on top of the flour, and then you can begin to blend it. All right, don't forget your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You wanna put this in when you put your egg or your egg replacement in. We forgot, so we're doing it a little late, but 1 teaspoon vanilla extract when you're adding your egg or egg replacement. All right, now you're gonna take a cookie scoop. We don't have one, so we're gonna use a tablespoon, form about 1.5 inch ball, and roll them up. It should look like that when we're done. And then we're gonna place them on a cookie sheet, as you see here, a couple of inches of space in between. All right, now you're gonna press down on your ball. This is where your jelly is gonna go. So you're gonna take a 1/2 cup of jelly of your liking. We're using strawberry jelly, and then you're gonna mix this up to get all of the lumps out, and then you will apply it to your cookies. You're gonna do this for the rest of your batter. We have plenty more, so once these are done baking, we'll do some more, but for now, we're just gonna do 12 at a time. All right, now we're gonna put these in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes.
They're done.
Time to try. You want to split one?
Yeah,
Or you want to
split
just
one.
try one by yourself?
Let's split one.
Split one. All right. Let's take this one. Oh, look at that. Nice and soft. That's pretty good.
You can really put the peanut butter.
That's a peanut butter and jelly cookie. Very good. I like it because I like peanut butter.
The jam.
The jam is good too. Good combination. It's a little process to make, but it is a delicious cookie and it yields a lot. We made about 2 dozen. So if you're gonna have some company over, perfect little snack to leave out for everyone to enjoy. Till next time, have a sweet day.